When you have a few digital images, it can be really fun to make them into a collage. But you can also make a collage with just one image. Let's see how to do that. Start PS Express. And then make sure you've got Edit chosen. Although there's Collage up there, we're going to use Edit because we're only working with a single image. I'm going to pick the night scene with the neon lights, and then scroll across the bottom until you see the collage icon. Tap that, and then I'm going to tap Shapes. I'm going to choose the second one, which is like an X, and my picture is going to be cut into this kind of X collage. You can try other ones, so I'll scroll over to Freeform, and I'm going to pick the first one there, which has 5 separate pictures, but you'll see it's one picture kind of spread across the 5 separate photo frames. And then I'm going to also try one on Pinboard. It's also 5 frames, but this time each frame has the entire picture in it. Now I'm going to pick Share and tap Camera Roll.